Hello guys, and welcome back to another post for Ethereum versus Bitcoin technical analysis. So what I have here is the chart for Ethereum versus Bitcoin. This is the one-day candles from Poloniex. Okay, so I was reviewing this chart 4 days ago in my last post for Ethereum technical analysis. And what I did is I draw these arrows here, predicting what was going to happen with the price. Let me zoom in. So so far it's doing basically what I expected. I said that when the price touched this 50-day moving average, the red line, it would bounce up a little bit, but then it was going to go down and ultimately come down to this support level again. Because the 20-day moving average, the blue line here, it started to curve for the past few days, and it's curving down a lot actually. So this indicates the price is going to continue to go down. So yeah, these are the arrows that I draw in my previous post 4 days ago. I think it was 3 or 4 days ago. You can check it out. So yeah, we can see here when it touched the moving average, the price was down to 0.09 Bitcoin, and then it jumped up, but not much, only a little bit. It jumped up to 0.1 Bitcoin, almost touching this arrow that I put here, and then it started to go down. So what I expect from here is the same as I said 3 or 4 days ago. It's going to test again this support level, and ultimately I think it's going to break it down to the bottom of this uptrend channel. I'm going to draw here one more support level. I think the next support level for the daily candle chart is around here. Let me do this right. Okay. Oh, sorry. Horizontal line. Okay, somewhere around here. That would be the next support level if it breaks the current support level, which has been tested 1 and 2 times, and it's almost touching it again. Actually, the price went down almost to touch it again, so I expect it's gonna touch this support level again. So this would be 3 times that it's already touched it. And because we come from a downtrend, the highs are going lower every time, and the lows are going in a straight line on this support level. This is actually forming a bear triangle. We can see here. This is forming a bear triangle, so I expect this triangle to break on the downside. Okay, we might test this support level, and maybe we bounce back up a little bit, come back down, like to finish forming this bear triangle. But sometime I expect this triangle to be broken on the downside. So for now, I'm not going to draw any more arrows. I'm just going to leave the arrows that I draw here 3 or 4 days ago. I'm going to leave it like that. And because I'm reviewing Ethereum twice a week, we will still have time. Next time I do a new post for the Ethereum technical analysis, I will then see from there, but it will probably be about to break down this support level. Actually, you know what? Let me just draw this line, just in case this happens sooner than I think. I'm just gonna draw a line like this, going down to this support level. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna leave it like this until my next video. Another thing that I wanted to show about this chart is if I hide all the drawings, and I zoom out a little bit, we can compare this. I have been saying this for quite some time now, and so far it continues to happen. So what I compare this chart with is with the bubble model. These are the main stages in a bubble. The dot-com bubble, the chart when the dot-com bubble happened, had this exact pattern. The tulips bubble had this same pattern as well. So this is like a bubble model. It happens with any asset. When it goes into a bubble, it forms the same patterns when it goes up and the same patterns when it crashes. So I've been comparing this with the Ethereum chart. We can see here it was coming from like a flat long consolidation period. Here even going down a little bit, and then when it started to take off, we can see here it takes off, and then the first sell-off happens, which would be this one, this first sell-off here, and then when it goes up again, but not so fast. So that would be this phase, media attention, enthusiasm. Okay, and then when the public comes in, it goes parabolic here at the last stage of the bubble, which is what happened here. It went parabolic, and then we reach the top of the bubble and we crash. What happened here? We crashed, and then we went up. We went back up again for a little bit, which happens with every bubble, and it's exactly what happened here. So we crashed and we went up. And that's the phase that it's called return to normal. Like, this is when everybody thought the Ethereum was going back to normal. I saw videos on YouTube, like several videos on YouTube, people saying, "Oh, see, I told you, you just have to hodl. We're back to $300 again. See, we're back to normal." So many people saying that. And I actually made a post on Steemit. You can check it out, for Ethereum technical analysis, and the title of my post, actually I'll show you, I think it's from how long ago? Yeah, here. So this was 9 days ago. Okay, Ethereum analysis number 12, the we're back to normal blow off phase. I did this 9 days ago because I was seeing how this could actually be this return to normal phase, and we would really crash from there, and that's what it's been happening so far. So just following this model, I have been able to predict the price pretty good for the past. It's been like 2 or 3 weeks already. So yeah, that's I think that's all I have to say for the Ethereum technical analysis. Now, if we look at the weekly chart, very similar. Like there's not much more I can say about this. The only difference is that for the weekly candles, the next support level is way down, like much more down than in the daily candles. So the next support level that I can see here on the weekly chart is all the way down to 0.058 Bitcoin. And I think this is gonna go down in the next maybe 2 weeks. We need to have in consideration that when bubbles burst, they go down a lot faster than how they went up, or at least at the same speed that they went up in the last phase of the bubble. So I expect this to crash faster than it's been crashing so far. So for the weekly chart, because I'm not going to be reviewing this until one week later, I'm going to draw an arrow here. I think price in 1 week can go at least to the bottom of this uptrend channel, and I think after that, ultimately, it's going to go down to this support level, all the way down to 0.058 Bitcoin. It might take 2 weeks to go down here, 2 or 3 weeks. So for the next week, I'm just going to leave these 2 arrows here. The first arrow, it's already happened. I mean, I got this right already, I would say, because I draw this arrow 3 or 4 days ago when the price was around here, around 0.10 Bitcoin, and it's now almost touching the support level, which was the prediction, yeah, my speculation. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you very much for watching, and I will keep posting Ethereum technical analysis. See you in the next video.